a law. So we've got this question falling under moment of a force that I want us to explain. I want you to get and understand everything that I'm going to be explaining here. So the question was saying that below this is given a beam balance having a pivot and a meter rule. This is what you need to understand. So this is a meter rule telling you to say that a meter rule meaning it is 100 centimeters. They are balanced on this pivot. This is the pivot is on 50. From here up to there, this is 48 centimeters. From 50 to 98, that is what? 48%. So you are given these two values, isn't it? Now, the first question we are given here. Find the mass of the bag of sand. Want to find the mass of the bag of sand. As a physicist or as a person that is studying physics, you need to be thinking mathematically, and you need to make sure that you analyze a given question. So if you look at this, 48, 48, this thing is balanced. So if it is balanced, this is to tell you that the mass that is this side, it is the same mass that is there. So there is no need of even calculating here. You just need to add 0.25 kg plus what? Plus 0.50 kg. So we add the two. What answer we getting? 0.75 kg. So this is the answer. This is our answer. This thing is balanced. So we've got equal weight and we've got equal moment on both sides. So it is just one and the same. As simple as this. So the mass that is here, this is the same mass that is there. So it was just a matter of adding this and you put it there. So this side we've got 0.75 kg. So this thing is balanced. Everything is the same. This is the reason why when you've got questions like this, those of you that answered this particular question under my online lessons, we had the last question that was saying that explain in terms of moment of a force why the beam is balanced. The reason why the beam is balanced, we get to have the principle of moment, which states that moment in the clockwise direction is equal to moment in the anti-clockwise direction. This is the reason why the beam is balanced, because moment in the clockwise direction is equal to moment in the anti-clockwise direction. This is clockwise direction, this is anti-clockwise direction. So moment is the same. So that is how you are supposed to answer the last question. You just say principle of moment states that moment in clockwise is equal to moment in the anti-clockwise direction. Since moment clockwise is equal to moment anti-clockwise, this is the reason why the beam is balanced. We now go to this last question that is here. The weight of the bag of sand. By definition, we know that weight is given by the formula mass times what? Gravity. So we are going to say weight is equal to, weight is the pull of gravity on an object. What is the mass? We are given 0.75 times what is gravity. This is the reason why this is acceleration due to gravity that we are given 10, which is equal to what? 7.5 newtons. So this is the what? This is the answer. This question was just there to test your knowledge, to see if you've understood these concepts. So this is how you are supposed to answer questions in an exam. So like I've told you, you need to be very sharp. You analyze a question. You see, okay, this question that is like this, how am I supposed to answer it? And if we are to answer this particular formula, like using the formulas for moment, you discover that we're still going to find the same answer, this one that is here. You are still going to find the same answer. Some of you that are saying, sir, me, I just want you to use that particular formula because I haven't gotten the first concept here. This is it. We know the formula we get to use, isn't it? We say F1 and distance 1 like this, which is equal to force 2 distance 2, isn't it? So we want to find the mass that is here. You can use this one if you know that, okay, me, I can't predict it, I need to use this particular formula. You can still use this formula. So we say, okay, this one, we say we don't have the mass there, isn't it? We don't have anything. So there is another formula I gave you. Apart from knowing this, you can remove the force there and put the mass 1, and remove the force there and put the what? Mass 2. This is also another formula you can use. What is the first mass? We are not given. I'll just put m. What is the distance? The distance from the pivot, that is 48. Since we need to calculate it in the mass there, it is kg. So this one is supposed to be in meters. You get 48, you divide it by 100. You are going to get 0.48. So here you get 0.48, which is equal to, what is mass 2? We add here. We are getting 0.75 multiplied by the distance 48. We convert to meters, we get 0.48. So when you reach here, you understand that we get to divide both sides by 0.48. Even here, I divide both sides by 0.48. This and that will be cancelled. This and that will be cancelled. I'm going to remain with the mass, which is equal to, so the mass is going to be equal to what? The mass is going to be equal to 0.75. Then I just put kg. So have you seen? This is the answer that I'm getting. So here you can use any method that you are comfortable with. By the end of the day, we need to arrive on the same answer. So this is where we are going to end from, and I guess you've gotten one or two things. This is a public video. For those of you that are interested in joining me, you want to be following us closely, I've got a group on WhatsApp where I get to share videos according to topics, lessons like that, lesson 1, lesson 2. I get to give exercises and I mark. If you want to join such a group at an affordable fee monthly, it's 100 kwacha for science, both chemistry and physics. So you can text me on WhatsApp on this particular number. I'm here to help you get a distinction. So you are supposed to WhatsApp me on WhatsApp. I'm here to help you get that distinction. So if you want to inquire more information on this, I'm not saying you drop a question that, sir, I want you to answer this question. No. If you want to register, you want to join my online school, this is the number that you need to text. We are here to help you. In Zambia, it's 100 kwacha. We help you. So when you pay 100 kwacha, you're paying for both chemistry and physics. It is counted as science. So this is where we end from. Thank you so much. Let me help you get that distinction that you want in an easy way. Thank you.